one flip and you'll see why Maqluba is one of the most iconic Middle Eastern rice dishes ever made. First, look at this golden chicken drumstick, crispy on the outside, unbelievably juicy on the inside, and every grain is light, fluffy, and packed with rich chicken saffron flavor. Now for the best bite, a crispy potato straight into this cucumber yogurt dip. This is comfort food at its absolute best. I'm starting with chicken drumsticks. Give them a quick sear with a little oil and a pinch of turmeric, just a couple of minutes. We are not trying to cook the chicken through yet. Cut a deep crust into the top of the whole onion, a couple of garlic cloves, whole cloves, green cardamom pods, bay leaves, a cinnamon stick, coriander seeds, black pepper, and salt. Pour in about a liter of hot water and let everything gently simmer for around 40 minutes. By the end, you'll have incredibly tender chicken and a rich aromatic broth. Strain the broth and save every drop you're cooking the rice in it. For the rice, I like using Persian rice. In my opinion, nothing beats its aroma and flavor. Soak it for 30 minutes in salted water. After soaking, rinse the rice 3 to 4 times to wash away the excess salt. Then, cook it in the strained chicken broth. The liquid should sit about half an inch above the rice. Let it simmer until the broth is fully absorbed and the rice is only partially cooked. You can also, while the rice is cooking, preparing the vegetables. Slice the potatoes into medium round, not too thin, not too thick. For the eggplants, peel them in alternating strips to create that stripped look. It helps them hold their shape after cooking. Slice them into rounds. This simple step helps draw out any bitterness from the eggplants and keeps it from soaking up too much oil. Sprinkle both sides with salt and let them rest for about 20 minutes. Then, pat them completely dry before frying. Pan fry the potatoes with enough oil and a little turmeric until they are lightly golden. They don't need to be fully cooked yet. Traditional Jordanian Maqluba often includes cauliflower, but personally I prefer caramelized onions instead. Using the same pan, add sliced onions and saute them. Splash in little boiling water once or twice as they cook. This helps them caramelize beautifully without burning. Once they are deeply golden, set them aside. Now for the eggplant, here's a simple trick. Coat each slice with a very thin layer of all-purpose flour and shake off the excess. That light coating helps reduce how much oil the eggplant absorbs while frying. Cook both sides until golden. Now it's time to build the Maqluba. Lightly oil a non-stick pot and drizzle in a little brewed saffron. That's my Persian signature. Arrange the chicken first, then tuck the potato slices around it. Spread half of the partially cooked rice over top and gently level it out. Add a layer of caramelized onions, followed by the remaining potatoes, another drizzle of saffron, and a full layer of the fried eggplants. Finish with the rest of the caramelized onions, then cover everything with the remaining rice. Gently press it into an even layer and drizzle over the rest of the saffron. Cover the pot and let it steam over low heat for about 45 minutes. While that's cooking, let's make the perfect side. Grate 2 cucumbers and squeeze out the moisture. Mix them with salt, mint, fresh or dried. a little oregano or dried basil, just a pinch of thyme, and the juice of half a lemon, and the plain yogurt. Give it a quick stir and let it chill in the fridge until you are ready to serve. Then serve it with a drizzle of extra olive oil and a sprinkle of sumac. Once the rice is perfectly tender and everything has finished steaming, turn off the heat and let the pot rest for 5 minutes and flip it over. And that's it. Enjoy every bite.